Doesn't really help.
Oh yeah, there's some bulbs out.
And he used to come here in the 30s and 20s and 30s, so he was sort of the second generation of scientists to come through. And he worked at this little marine lab back in Japan. And he, during World War II, this base, come on through, was converted into a mini sub base with these old tiny submarines that would harass the Allied forces, the Navy. And so when the Americans after the war came in to occupy the base, he left this note, and he said, this is obviously the submarine, and so he said, you know, figuring these are going to be American soldiers, if you're from the East Coast, you might know Woods Hole, this place, or Mount Desert Island, which is up in Maine. And if you're to the West Coast, you may know Pacific Grove, which is in California, or Puget Sound, which is now Friday Harbor, where I go. And so he's like, this is just like one of these places. And he says, destroy all the weapons and war instruments, but save them the other stuff for the students. And so he kind of wrote that, then he signed it this famously, the last one to go. And so over here you can see the letter from the officer who found this and then sent it here. And it's been here ever since.
That's awesome.
And